rather do the fish restaurant than that area.
Yeah, just
it's a little lighter. We don't necessarily need
No, I was
more
going to
of
get a
the
salad.
carbs.
But, yeah, no, the fish restaurant. That sounds perfect.
Okay. Now we're going to dine in, or are we going to order pickup?
No, let's dine in. Let's be out.
Okay.
Let's be out. Let's wear these kids out. I need to breathe some fresh air, you know. I'm sure that you wouldn't mind.
So we were receiving a delivery on the
Delivery
on Wednesday, the 23rd.
Okay.
Might need you to receive it.
Yeah.
And it's going to be very large and full of a power.
Yeah.
I have to go to on Wednesday. Oh, I've got the appointment to pick up the tires for that. Or to get the tires put on that van.
Oh, okay. So Tuesday, I have my first OBGYN at 2 p.m.
So they are going to take our money?
No. They're allowing me, because I've had such a great history, they're allowing me to do cash November and December. It's going to cost us about $1,000.
And that's their normal price?
Yes.
So they're going to give us at their normal insurance costs?
No. This is cash. It's straight up cash. Like, without insurance, we pay cash. Otherwise,
Right,
they don't take.
Are they going to charge us the same amount they charge insurance?
No. Oh, no.
That's what I'm asking.
No.
So they're charging us more than they would charge us with insurance?
Yes.
You're sure?
I'm pretty sure we can ask. She said this is what your cash rate will be.
Right, but they don't have a normal cash rate. Right? They don't have a cash menu. They're doing an exception for us.
Yeah, well,
Is that cash
I'll
rate
ask.
the same as if it
I'll
were?
ask.
Okay. Thank you. Because if it is, it's moot. Then that's perfect, because the champ is going to pay out the same amount that. Right? They're going to pay the standard insurance rate.
Right.
If not, we're going to have a much higher copay, which is fine. They're worth it.
Well, she also said, and I'll get clarification on this too. She's like, it's going to cost $1,000 for November and December, but the moment you come back in January with your insurance, we can do their contract like they normally do. They take your insurance and they say what they think it's going to cost for the entire thing, and then you just pay per month or like per appointment, right? Like it was like $100 for us per month.
Okay.
And so we don't have to pay a bolus at the end, kind of a thing.
Okay.
Anyway, so but we may have a credit we may have a credit after that. So I don't know exactly what that means. Maybe they're gonna retro it. So they'll do like we pay cash just for risk sharing, right? For November and December, and then when I get insurance in January, we do the contract for the full 9 months or however long my treatment actually is, and then they credit back the cash that I paid. Maybe. We'll see. So, yeah.
All right, fine. Whatever. So Tuesday, and then you're going to do your physical for insurance.
I'll figure out. They need to send me some material. I don't think I can just go in and say fill this out. Like,
They don't have like a form.
no, but I'm going every month now, right? So it's
Standard.
not a problem. What, sweetie?
We can't understand you when you use your crying voice.
What's not
Use
working?
a big boy voice and talk to us. Take a breath, and we'll help you. The house is not working? Were you trying to build a house with your blocks? Well, that's part of engineering. So you remember when you watch Chico Bon Bon, and he tries to build things, but sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't? Then he has to go back and try again until he gets it to work? That's what you got to do. That's engineering, son. It's also what makes it so compelling a career. Take a breath.
It's okay, sweetie. You can try again.
You just
Calm
try
down.
again.
Oh, okay. How about we do this? How about we put it away right now and we'll work on it?
We're not going to cry over blocks. You're going to take a breath. You're way too big of a boy for this. Take a breath right now. This is not what we cry about. This is not okay. You don't cry like this. Take a breath. Would you like us to help you with the blocks?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you drop them?
Yeah.
Okay. We're about to stop. Can you wait a minute, and then once we stop, Mommy can help you with the blocks?
Yeah.
Good. Did you need to cry about it, or now that you ask us, we can help you? We don't need to cry about it, do we?
No.
Okay.
So Tuesday, you're going to be in OC, right? With
Yeah.